Late summer may mark the start of autumn planting and leaf season, but lawn and garden chores are year-round. No matter the task, using the right garden tools will make chores easier and take less time. And isn't that the goal with any job? We've compiled a list of the best gardening tools and yard tools to make your never-ending list of tasks less of a pain, whether you're a beginner experimenting with new landscaping tools or a seasoned gardener looking for the perfect replacement shovel. Number 1. Heumann Digging Shovel. A quality shovel, as with a sturdy garden hoe, is one of the best gardening tools to invest in, and one of the most basic. The best garden shovel that we've tested, the Heumann Digging Shovel, features a heavy-duty carbon steel head and no slip grips for each hand. The slightly serrated blade cuts through everything from hard ground to roots. The lightweight fiberglass shaft is durable but light enough for long stretches of use. Not all jobs require a full-sized shovel, however. If you want to dig small holes planting seeds, consider a hand trowel, such as the Fiskars Ergo Trowel. Heumann is expanding the line of products into tools built for every aspect of land management. Each tool is designed with purpose to deliver the best performance for the task at hand. Heumann tools are designed to be the strongest on the market with a modern aesthetic design with shelf appeal. Featuring the non-slip H-grip handle to deliver the most comfortable and secure grip on the market, these tools are truly unique. Number 2. Flexzilla Garden Hose. The Flexzilla hose, our favorite garden hose, is a crucial garden tool to keep in the shed. It's light and flexible without sacrificing durability or performance. Both ends of the Flexzilla have comfort grips that allow the hose to twist freely, making it easy to maneuver around the yard. The Flexzilla's titular flexibility did lead to a couple of kinks as we pulled the hose taut, but it unkinked itself after a moment, so it wasn't an issue during testing. The flexible nature of this hose also made it a breeze to coil and carry from one place to another. It can't touch the portability of an expandable hose, but it was the easiest to move, coiled or expanded, of the standard hoses we tested. Flexzilla Garden Hose is engineered with a flexible hybrid polymer that is both lightweight and durable. This premium hose redefines flexibility and is easy to maneuver around your yard. Flexzilla Garden Hose has zero memory, which allows the hose to lay flat and ensures that sprinklers stay put without twisting. Plus, with our superior O-ring, you get a long-term, leak-free connection at the spigot. The flexible hybrid polymer inner tube material is drinking water safe. Number 3. Dram 12421 One-Touch Shower and Stream. The Dram 12424 One-Touch Shower and Stream is simple, elegant, effective, and high quality. As the name suggests, the dial's only two options are shower and stream. The FX5 low is controlled by an easy-to-adjust rear thumb throttle. Between those two settings, the best hose nozzle we've tested can perform most garden and yard tasks besides misting. The only drawback to this otherwise perfect spray is that its watering radius on shower is small compared to other models, making it less useful for big yards. Still, it's a gardening tool that will make watering far more controlled. Dram One-Touch Shower and Stream Wand Blue complete and total water flow control with just on touch of your thumb. Has two pattern options: shower, for a cascading flow of fine water droplets that will not harm your plants, and stream, a concentrated jet, powerful enough to wash even the muddiest sidewalk. Number 4. Felco 2. Our testing of the Felco 2 pruning shears backs up the brand's reputation for making quality gardening tools. Our pick is best pruning shears. These excellent garden tools have hardened steel blades that cut cleanly through every plant you're likely to encounter in your garden, from delicate flower stems to half-inch diameter branches. That versatility is a huge advantage with gardening hand tools. You can cut down the last year's growth on your yew hedge, trim your roses, give them a quick clean, and then snip a few basil leaves to pretty up your plate of spaghetti. Although the manufacturer says the F2s have a 1-inch cutting capacity, in practice, that capacity depends on your hand strength. If you're a weekend gardener who doesn't spend a lot of time working with yard tools, you might not be able to cut through a 1-inch branch even though the shears can open wide enough. When cutting softer plant materials like raspberry canes, the action can feel a little sticky, as though the mechanism is getting slightly stuck. The cuts are still clean. The lock is easy to close with your thumb but can be hard to reopen one-handed. Number 5. Ego Power Plus LM2135 SP. PSST. There's a new class of motorized garden tools on the block, the electric mower. Say goodbye to the familiar and annoying noise that goes with mowing the lawn. You'll love the quiet of the Ego Power Plus, the best lawn mower that we've ever tested. No longer will you need to feel bad about waking neighbors if you're mowing early on Saturdays. This 21-inch electric mower is easy to start, Just press the power button, pull the green handle, and the blades begin to spin. The mower's 56-volt lithium-ion battery lasts 60 minutes and charges in 50 minutes. This lawn mower's self-propulsion was powerful enough to go up hills during testing, and the motor produces enough torque that the Power Plus can compete with gas-powered mowers. It also features twin blades, which makes mulching more efficient. Touch drive technology puts complete control of the self-propelled system in the palm of your hands by using pressure to engage the system. Easily control the variable speed with a dial positioned at your fingertips for safe and convenient operation. Number 6. Mammotion Luba 2 AWD 5000H. The Mammotion's Luba 2 packs many high-tech features into an effective racecar-shaped robot system. The best robot mower you can buy, it wirelessly communicates with its charging station and follows customizable protocols from the app, which can be adjusted in granular detail. The Luba 2's app allows you to tweak the robot's schedules, and employ some of its more advanced skills like its first-person view camera, which ports you right into the lens of the robot. It will also help you set precise borders to mow zones and mow-in patterns. Those who are excited about customization options and innovative smart features could find the many technological marvels of this robot lawn mower more than worth it. If you're concerned about letting a robot navigate between the ivy beds and detail the flower beds by the steps, this is the one in which to put your trust. 100% solar-powered RTK, take a step towards sustainability, focusing on innovations like robotic mowers and autonomous, battery-powered equipment, Mammotion designed to navigate and maintain lawns efficiently. Number 7. Kobalt KHB 304206. This tornado of a leaf blower claims it can move 600 cubic feet of air per minute. Based on our testing, that's easy to believe. Our favorite leaf blower, the Works WG520, was unmatched in clearing leaves off any surface from a distance, including wet, matted leaves that had glued themselves to the pavement. To avoid blowing all your potted plants off the porch, the Works WG520 has a speed dial to adjust its air blasts from its hurricane pounding maximum to normal leaf blower levels. For about $60, this is an effective, powerful machine. It's light enough to carry easily at 7.2 pounds, and aesthetically, it looks less like a radioactive Fortnite gun than any other blower we tested. The Works' one downfall is that it's loud for a corded pick, generating up to 82 decibels at its highest speed. The noise is higher pitched than landscapers' gasoline-powered blowers and less annoying at a distance. Still, this garden tool calls for your protection. Number 8. Redmon Compost Bin, 65-gallon. If you've ever thought about composting, this trapezoid-shaped outdoor bin is the best compost bin we've tested. Indoor bins have a temperature advantage that can help your composting, but if you want a traditional option, or just don't want compost inside your home, the Redmon composter is a great choice to add to your garden tools. The bin's opening is wide enough to shovel in leaves or leftover garden plants easily. The sides have plenty of holes for ventilation, but they aren't fully open. They let in air and moisture and cut down on the smell, but they keep animals out. During testing, we did run into an issue with mice digging under the side of the bin to get to food scraps. However, we addressed it by pushing the teeth of the bin further into the ground and placing large rocks around the edge to keep them out. Participate in the environment in a positive way by using Redmon Green Culture products. Redmon's Green Culture compost bin will effectively generate garden gold, compost, for years to come. A composter bin and composting reference guide included.